How to repost on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can repost on Instagram. So let's dive in. First, you have to download this app from your app store. So go to your app store and then search for Reposta, and then you can just download this app by clicking it and then click get. I have already downloaded it, so I have this open option, but you'll get this get button. Once you downloaded it, go back. So now just go to your Instagram and choose a video or post that you want to repost. For example, I want this post and I want to repost it. So click this share option and copy the link. And once you copy the link, go back to the app. And now you have to click allow paste. And it's going to just paste it over here. So wait for it to be pasted. And once done, you have to just wait for it to be done. Click it. And now you have this repost option. Click it and repost it. You can see it's being exported. And once done, you can repost it. Now here you have to click allow paste. And now you have to just click this option over here and post it into your story, reels, or messages wherever you like. And that's how you repost on Instagram. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.